Allow your instructors to vary how they deliver their course materials by setting up the SCORM solution. This tutorial shows how to set up the SCORM solution in Brightspace Learning Environment. To begin, click Admin Tools and select the Config Variable Browser. Navigate to Tools, Content Service, and Endpoint. Verify that the system value is set to the correct AWS region. Note, for details about AWS region endpoints, follow the link provided in the description. Then, to turn on the Content Service, click Admin Tools. Navigate to and select Organization Tools. Navigate to Content Service and click the toggle to turn it on. Lastly, we will set the roles and permissions needed to add and view SCORM packages. Navigate again to Admin Tools and click it. Then, navigate to and select Roles and Permissions. Decide which role you want to be able to create and add content in your organization. For this example, click Instructor. In the Filter by Tool drop-down, select Content Service. Then, click Apply Filter. Select the appropriate permissions for the role. Note, for information about SCORM permissions, review the link provided in the description. When you are ready, click Save. Next, set the permissions to allow learners to view SCORM content. In the Filter by Role drop-down, switch the role to Student, and click Apply Filter. Then, select the relevant permissions. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Allow your instructors to vary how they deliver their course materials by setting up the SCORM solution.